Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best battery terminal cleaner available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, TKDMR Battery Terminal Cleaner. This battery terminal maintenance kit is a simple yet highly effective solution for extending battery life and ensuring reliable electrical performance. The anti-corrosion battery terminal washers create a protective barrier around the terminals, helping prevent rust, acid buildup, and corrosion that can lead to poor connections and premature battery failure. With clear color coding, red for positive and green for negative terminals, installation is quick and error-free. The adjustable design, featuring a removable inner ring, allows the washers to fit a wide range of 6V and 12V battery terminals. Complementing the washers is the durable stainless steel cleaning brush, which efficiently removes corrosion, dirt, and oxidation from both battery posts and cable connectors. Together, these tools help maintain optimal conductivity, improve starting performance, and reduce maintenance costs. Next up, we have Below Me Battery Terminal Cleaner. This battery terminal maintenance kit is a practical and cost-effective solution for keeping vehicle and equipment batteries in peak condition. The color-coded anti-corrosion washers make installation straightforward, with red identifying the positive terminal and green marking the negative, reducing the chance of connection errors. Designed to protect battery posts from corrosion, moisture, and acid buildup, these washers help maintain strong electrical conductivity and can significantly extend battery life. The included stainless steel cleaning brush is highly effective at removing corrosion, dirt, and debris from battery terminals, cable clamps, adapters, and connectors, restoring clean and reliable connections. Its compact design, complete with a protective storage cover, makes it easy to carry in a toolbox or glove compartment for quick maintenance whenever needed. The adjustable washer size accommodates various battery terminals, adding versatility. Coming in at number 3, Ampere Battery Terminal Cleaner. This battery terminal repair kit is an excellent solution for restoring worn, damaged, or undersized battery posts without the need for costly battery replacement. Designed for standard top post batteries, the lead shims create a secure and stable electrical connection by compensating for terminal wear, helping eliminate loose connections that can cause starting issues and voltage loss. The flexible 0.5 mm lead construction is easy to trim and customize, ensuring a precise fit for various repair needs while maintaining strong conductivity. The included stainless steel battery terminal brush effectively removes corrosion, dirt, and oxidation from battery posts and connectors, improving current flow and overall battery performance. Additionally, the fiber washers provide an extra layer of protection against corrosion, helping extend the life of both the battery and its terminals. Now at number 4, Lot Fancy Battery Terminal Cleaner. This battery terminal maintenance kit provides a complete and effective solution for keeping battery connections clean, protected, and performing at their best. The included corrosion-resistant fiber washers, with 6 red and 6 green pieces, offer excellent long-term protection by helping prevent acid buildup and oxidation around battery terminals after cleaning. What makes this kit especially useful is the 2-in-1 battery terminal brush design, featuring separate cleaning ends for battery posts and the inside of terminal clamps, allowing for a more thorough and precise cleaning process. The durable brush quickly removes corrosion, dirt, and debris that can interfere with electrical conductivity, helping restore strong connections and improve battery efficiency. Its simple operation makes routine maintenance fast and hassle-free, even for users with limited experience. And finally, our last pick, Cannonfish Battery Terminal Cleaner. This battery terminal maintenance kit is a well-designed and practical solution for preserving battery performance and preventing common connection issues caused by corrosion. The spiral-style terminal cleaner efficiently removes oxidation, corrosion, and buildup from both battery posts and cable ends, helping restore optimal electrical conductivity and ensuring reliable power delivery. Its dual compatibility design supports both top post and side post battery terminals, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, boats, and marine applications. Built with heavy-duty metal components and durable fiber bristles, the cleaner is designed to withstand repeated use without losing effectiveness. The included color-coded protective washers provide an extra layer of defense against future corrosion, with red and green washers making positive and negative terminal identification simple and convenient. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.